Still wearing the same hairstyle every day? Let's change that. In this video, I'll show you 5 cute, easy, and trendy back-to-school hairstyles for long hair that are quick to do and perfect for busy mornings. Let's get started. 1. Start by sectioning a small piece of hair right at your hairline. Secure it with an elastic and flip the strand inward for a quick pull-through twist. Next, braid that section all the way down, and then simply repeat the exact same process with a second strand right behind it to achieve that perfect, sleek, double braid detail. Take 2 small sections from the front, join them at the back, and create a loose 3-strand braid down the center. Secure it with a clear elastic, then gently pull the braid for a fuller, soft finish. 3. Start with a sleek, high ponytail. Twist the length into a neat bun and secure it with a scrunchie. Gently tuck in the ends and smooth any flyaways for a chic, polished hairstyle that stays in place all day. 4. Start by taking 2 front sections and gently twist each side toward the back, securing them before braiding both sections into 2 loose pigtail braids. Finish by softly pulling the braids for extra volume and framing your face with the front bangs for a cute, effortless look. 5. Take a small section of hair from the front, twist it neatly, then add another section and twist again as you work toward the back. Secure it with a bobby pin for a sleek, elegant half-up hairstyle that's perfect for any occasion. Which hairstyle was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Bye!